Gates open, that up and racing. Danehill Choi draws for your lead. Life is delicious. Moving up on the outside, moving up Chica Una is sneaking in down on the inside is Flourish. Then moving up Diamond Dane, running in between runners Beauty Express. Then comes Hoy. Tama na, Love or Money, and trailing the group is Flytatious as they round towards the last 600. Life is delicious, this time by about 6 lengths. Moving up now on the outside to take second is Diamond Dane. Dropping back in third, Deputy Stravinsky. Beauty Express is on the outside. Chica Una as they turn for home. Life is delicious, maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Diamond Dane remains in second, moving up by the release. Chica Una, Beauty Express is on the outside with the last 100 meters more to run. Life is delicious by about 2, and finally Life is delicious. Diamond Dane, Beauty Express, Deputy Stravinsky close between Chica Una and Danehill Choi for your Pentapecta.